All right, friends, welcome to Let the Light In. This is a fantastic song. It's got great energy, the bones of it, the truth in it, having the Spirit come in, the light in of Christ coming in and just changing our lives. You know, if we could just change ourselves, we wouldn't need Him, but we need Him to come and shine His light and to do the work that we cannot do. And I just love it's time, for the old winds to change. It's time for the dead man to rise. I love all the analogies in it because it's so true. Today is the day of salvation. It is time. So if we've been living in underneath lies, depression, anxiety, strongholds that continue to diminish us from who we're supposed to be in Christ. It's time for that to change. So if that's you, my prayer is that one, that the Lord will release you from that and He will set you free, and two, that He will instill this song in your heart, put it deep down into your soul, so that when you sing it, it's not just a song just to have fun and just to sing, but it's truth to you that the Lord has set you free. So I love this song. It's got good bones. I don't know that I have to tell you to have energy. I think it just pulls it out of you. Okay. But do sort of chew your words, all of that stuff, and have a blast. Okay. This is not a song for you to stand with your hand in your pocket and just this is a song where you need to smile, be physically engaged, and yeah, just celebrate what the Lord has done, is doing, and is going to do in the lives of people.
Fling wide you heavenly gates. Let the King of glory in. Let the King of glory in. Come riding on your people's praise. Let the King of glory in. Let the King of glory in. Fling wide heavenly gates. Let the King of glory in. Let the King of glory in. Come riding on your people's praise. Let the King of glory in. Let the King of glory in.
All right, let's discuss the choruses now. So first chorus, we're going to start here on the B. Fling wide you. Okay, so this one's kind of real chill. We don't want to oversing this one, and it does kind of follow most of them. Wide you, heavenly gates, let the King of glory in. Let the King of glory in. All right, so this one's not really tricky at all. Pretty straightforward. It's a third. You're following along with the lead. Okay, so right on that B. 3, 4. Fling wide you, heavenly gates. Let the King of glory in. Let the King of glory in. Come riding on your people's praise. Let the King of glory in. Let the King of glory in. All right, so and that one again is breathy. Keep it pretty straight and just try to be as tight with the lead singer as possible. Okay, and then you got second verse. That again is also pretty chill. And then we come into the second chorus, and things are starting to get a little more heated, a little more exciting. Okay, and we're gonna come, and once you know this chorus, you'll know the rest of them. We're gonna start on the C, and instead of going fling wide yo, it's more like fling wide yo, heavenly gates, let the King of glory in. Okay, let the King of glory in. So let's do that together. 2, 3, 4. Fling wide yo, heavenly gates, let the King of glory in. Let the King of glory in. Come riding on your people's praise. Let the King of glory in. Let the King of glory in. Okay, so that's the choruses. The low one starting on the B, and then this one starting on the E. The rest of them are all starting on the E, and they kind of have that throw off kind of vibe, cheerleader sort of thing. You're at a pep rally, if you remember those. And so yeah, so that's it. That's the choruses. Now let's move on to the bridge.